Nice short video for you today. It's Dipstick Day, so basically, and I'm not talking about myself, so I've gone and purchased the replacement updated dipstick. Anyone that's got one of these cars most probably finds that reading the original dipstick seems to be really hard, and what they've done is they've replaced it with a flat bladed one. I have opened it, but that is the part number if you want to go grab one. So let's have a look, see how different these are. Let's pop this one out. Like I said, it's just a flat blade one, so it's a flat blade with 2 holes in it. Good old simple. Let's get this one out. So this one is the one where it has, you know, they put a lot of effort in to make this one, with the 2 marks where you're supposed to be able to read it. Let's have a quick look to see whether these are the same. Put the same length there. Yes, they are, and the old lines and the holes match up, so they haven't changed that at all. Hopefully it's just going to be easier to read. I'm expecting mine to be a little bit too full, so let's have a look. So yes, so a bit too much oil in there. So where my nail is the hole. I've got about 5 mil of extra oil on there. I try and keep it topped up nicely because of obviously the issues these engines can have, but that's a little bit too much, I'd say, so I need to get that out. But yeah, so much easier to read, you know, really simple, flat blade, 2 holes, simple as, probably one of the cheapest upgrades you can do, and it's really useful. So yeah, if you ever struggle to read the oil, get yourself a new one of the dipsticks. Sweet.